What up, investors? What up, traders? Ken here from the Dyslexic Investor, and we're looking at a fantastic play again from the Wall Street Bets community. We have user CM0017A. God bless him. All right. Placing a crazy out of the money, which that means Disney out OTM means out of the money calls, so he's projecting that it's going to go up, and he's buying it the day before it expires. So again, this week was the only 4 days of trading due to Good Friday and Easter holiday. So basically he bought multiple we'll look at here in the video here. We'll pop this open here on the big screen here, and we'll walk through what he did. So he's showing here, this is again 9:30. This is AM's time, Eastern Standard Time, and the fact of when the market opens up at 9:30, the calls will of course go live. So basically, he's betting that $104 call that he bought. So the previous day, we'll look at the chart here in a second. The previous day, he was down quite a bit due to the fact that Disney was basically trading around like the low, higher 90s to 100s. But we'll look at the chart here once it's overall used. So he had a pretty substantial amount of cash and things. So he had his all-time here on the Wall Street things. You can kind of see here. Here's his trade. Here's that call that was expiring on Thursday. He bought 259 calls for each costing about 31 cents, which is basically a little bit here miss about $30, $31. You can kind of see here, this is all pre-market, how much he spent. He bought a total equity of nearly $8,000. You see the cost break it even. You see expiration date, which is the following day, and then the current price of the contract, and he actually bought them for 26. So he is up just slightly due to the fact of that, and you can kind of see here just slightly by $1,200 on those contracts. He needs the Disney price to trade higher than the 104, and that particular day on Thursday, the stock opens up like at 107 to 108. You can kind of see the Disney share price right now is 7, and then you see the time up here. It's about to change to 9:30, and then that's where we're going to go live here. Here goes 9:30. He's going back down to his calls. He's going to refresh the screen, and then we're going to see the price basically jump to $4.10. And then you can see the overall jump in his investments here, jumping about $12,000. Now they're called about $3, and his investments jump to about $98,000. So basically profiting about $95,000 in a single evening. So we'll go ahead and jump to the charts here to break down exactly what happened. So user 007 whatever basically bought them here on the 8th, and let's actually break this down to a little bit smaller time frame here. So he bought them sometime this day here, basically pretty flat. The high of that day was 102, the low was 98. So it was quite a bit of a move. Again, the volatility is fairly high. So he is buying out of the money calls, saying that the following day, which is this day right here, where I'm beaming over here, the Disney's is going to be above 104. And 104 is basically right here-ish, right where the 21 exponential moving average is, basically in that area between here. So basically he was saying it's going to pop up from the close of that day $4. But he had, I don't know if he had, this is, no one knows if he works at Disney. Didn't say anything. But Disney, literally 30 minutes later after the close, said that, oh, guess what? Disney Plus has about over 50 million subscribers, paid subscribers, and that's what just vaulted the stock up. And I'm sure he didn't sleep at all that night, with the stock trading up as high as 109 in the after hours trading, and then during the pre-market trading kind of coming back down to 106. Still, even the price opens up at 106, he's still making bank, paying literally a 30-cent call option and now trading $3. Like that's a nice return. And then he did execute, it looks like, right when he came, the market opened up, purchasing selling those calls at basically a little over $3, basically a tenfold gain, a little bit over a tenfold gain on those options because he bought them around like 26 cents to 27 cents, and then it jolted up about, I think it was 12 times his initial investment, which is, whoa, like that guy just made bank. Again, he did risk $8,000. Like this could have just been flat, and the stock could have just have just traded just like it did the previous day, and just stayed around 100 or 101. Those call options would have just, the time decay and the theta on that would have just picked up so rapidly, and just decayed and basically turned that $8,000 to zero. It gives me the notion of like, did he know something, or I don't know. I'm not calling insider trading, but it was one heck of a bet that he was able to turn that profit in such a short period of time on an option that was expiring that day. So kudos to him. Give him a big round of applause down in the comments. Give him a thumbs up. That was a great trade. Again, this is the Wall Street Bets style of trading, of just doing these crazy YOLO bets. I'm speechless. Like I don't have the audacity to be able to do that, so that's why I just kind of using it as entertainment and enjoyment. But that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And if you have any comments, questions, please let me know. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.